Pick which point or points out of these applies to you. Point number 1, मुझे इंग्लिश बोलने में दिक्कत आती है. Point number 2, मुझे इंग्लिश समझ तो आती है लेकिन मैं बोल नहीं पाता या पाती. Number 3, मैं छोटे छोटे सेंटेंसेस बोल तो लेती हूँ पर इंग्लिश फ्लुएंटली नहीं बोल पाती हूँ. 4th, मेरी वोकैबुलरी बड़ी लिमिटेड है. 5th, मुझे ग्रामर नहीं आती. Welcome to the world of reality. All these points and many more like these are taken from the diagnostic tests which we generally give to our students on the very first day when they come to join our English learning classes. और सबको लगता है कि ऐसा ही issue है. But the reality is totally different. Let me take you to the reality world. Hello everyone. Welcome back to English with Mangat Ma'am. This is our third day. First day में हमने समझा the importance of grammar. Second day में हमने समझा what are sentences. और आज third day हम जाने वाले हैं in a very important topic commonly known in your schools or in your books as parts of speech. लेकिन उससे पहले मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहती हूँ, आप parts of speech से क्या समझते हो? Generally students को बहुत बड़ा इसके बारे में एक misconception है. Look at this picture. This is a building being constructed. कोई भी मकान बिना दो चीज़ों के नहीं बनता. Number 1, bricks. Number 2, cement. It's as simple as that. Bricks, that is your words, and cement, that is your grammar. This is all what you have to focus on, and let me take you to the language lab. लेकिन उससे पहले मैं आपको एक छोटी सी कहानी सुनाना चाहती हूँ. Pay attention. So I want to share a small story with you. Once a small boy asked a fish in the ocean, "Hey fish, I want to write an article about water as my school project. Can you tell me what is water?" "Water? What is water? I haven't ever seen it," said the fish. Funny na? Same here. We all are living in the world of words. सब तरफ शब्दों का जाल फैला हुआ है और हम कहते हैं हमें ग्रामर नहीं आती. We are using words as well as grammar 24/7 all the time without even wondering or thinking what part of speech or what kind of sentence, but we are using it. The only issue is the clarity is missing. So let me take you to the language lab and explain it. So let us dissect the parts of speech